A says ah.
And now it's time for the Sea Lion Splash.
Hi Sea Lions, this is Captain Nicholas and Yosa, of course, from the Seal Beach Police Department. We just wanted to welcome you to the school year. We hope you have a really good year. Remember, please be kind to everyone. There's a lot of things going on in the world right now, and we want you to be nice and help each other out. And again, when you see us, come say hi to Yosa. Thanks.
Be kind! Be respectful!
Sika, what do you like to have in the salad? What's your favorite thing to put in or on the salad?
It's a Let's make good the Census Sea Lions.
Okay, so you'll have to wait in line today. Go right to the front. Sound good? Okay, here's your this, and you also
And then I want you to type 45. No, just 4 or 5. And press enter.
Let's go!
Can you show it to me? Yeah! Way to go. Yeah.
This is Sea Lion leader Ben Hauser with this week's announcements. Charleston Rap fundraiser has begun. Let's connect with our families and friends to raise funding for Project Seek. The Wellness Room will open on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Friday from 12 to 1 o'clock. Let's remember to be calm and quiet when we enter. LAIF classes begin on Monday after school. Our first fire drill starts on Tuesday at 10:40. Listen to your teachers and follow instructions. The school nurse will be doing hearing and vision testing on Thursday and Friday. Thanks so much, Sea Lions. Have a fantastic week.
I got a rubber.
Yeah. High five. Yeah.
Universal Transitional Kindergarten.
Our first Rawbuck of the week goes to UTK student from Miss Barr's class. Congratulations to Stevie Treasure Kelsey. Stevie is such an engaged learner. She always uses a quiet hand to show that she has ideas to share in class. Thanks for being responsible, aware, and honorable, Stevie.
Kindergarten.
Mrs. Sizemore wants to shout out kindergarten student Zayn Mohammed. He's being responsible, aware, and honorable too. She says that Zayn was an outstanding leader in room 7 today. He showed raw behavior in everything he did. Way to go, Zayn.
First grade.
Mrs. Lupescu is so proud of first grader Stone Lewis. She said that Stone was a great role model for another student. He played fair and was calm throughout the game. Thanks for being responsible, aware, and honorable, Stone. We appreciate you.
Second grade.
Team Frenderson wants to shout out second grader Ruthie Welsh. They say that Ruthie's kindness and joy radiates. We appreciate her in our class. She is so encouraging. Thanks for being responsible, aware, and honorable, Ruthie.
Third grade.
Miss Aniceto wants to shout out third grader Burma Petit Frere. She said that Burma did an amazing job as my teacher's assistant last week. We appreciate your responsibility.
Fourth grade.
Miss Breedlove wants to say thank you to fourth grader Addison Yang. She says that Addie went out of her way to be a kind friend both in and out of the classroom. Thanks so much, Addie, for making a big difference on our campus.
Fifth grade.
And finally, our fifth grade Rawbuck winner comes from Mrs. Wallace. Congratulations to Mateo Albino Zayas. Mateo was working hard to master a new math concept and reminded a classmate that he wanted to do the work himself so he could learn. Thanks so much, Mateo, for being responsible and taking accountability for your learning. I appreciate your leadership.
Thank you so much, you guys. Have a great week.
And there you have it, McGaw. Now remember, listen to your teachers, follow instructions from your parents, take a risk, and I'll see you on campus. Bye!